I'm back, and now video 3 is my conditioner. This, though, is not proven. It is my first time making it, so we're gonna do it together. I really hope it's gonna work out because I don't wanna go buy conditioner. So let me just talk you through the ingredients. I'll mix it up and then we'll put it on my hair. And then I'll actually dry it, style it, and you'll see the end results of what DIY hair mask, DIY shampoo, DIY conditioner does for my hair. So the ingredients are 1 cup of coconut oil, a 1/2 cup of almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, whatever you want to use. I have almond oil. And then you're going to want to add rosemary and lavender essential oils, 10 to 12 drops of each. Put them in a bowl. I'm going to mix them all up. You kind of make like a whip. And yeah, so let's get going. So I just have a mason jar I'm going to use to put it in. Look how fluffy that is. It's like lovely. Can't wait to put it on my hair. Okay, well, we're back here at the sink. The towel's been on my head since I shampooed it. If you missed that video, go back and watch the shampoo video. But I need to re-wet my hair, which you normally wouldn't do. If this is sitting in my shower, I would have just shampooed, put this on. But I'm gonna let it sit for 2 minutes after I put it on, and then we'll rinse it out. And I'll come back and show you the end results. Okay, so I just re-wet my hair after being in the towel while I mixed that up, which I normally wouldn't do if I had like been in the shower normally. So I'm not sure how much the recipe said to use. I'm just gonna grab like a dollop and I'm gonna run it just through the ends of my hair. Smells really good. But you leave this on now for 2 minutes and then come back and rinse it out. Okay, well, it's been 2 minutes, maybe a little bit more. I went and did some errands or chores. And I'm going to rinse this out and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I'm sorry you can't see. It's rinsing really nice and I think it feels good. So yeah, it rinsed out really well. I mean, I didn't feel any issues. I didn't do like my normal, like when I'm in the shower, I run my fingers through it as I rinse it. It's just not as convenient when I'm got my head upside down. So I'm gonna run upstairs. I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna come back down and we'll run our fingers through it and say overall, end-to-end beauty treatment on my hair, hair mask, my DIY shampoo, my conditioner. What do I think? Okay, I'm back. This is after I've dried it, threw a little curl in it. I think one of the things I'm happiest about is, you know, when you're growing your gray out and you get all those crazy gray flyaways, this really calms it down. So I'll show you the back. So I think one lesson learned from using the new conditioner is I'm not going to probably do conditioner like that's that rich on the same day that I do my deep hair mask, because there's already enough oils in the deep hair mask that it was just a bit much. But yeah, that's how I keep my hair healthy. Choose a lower waste alternative options to make my products at home. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the description below. If I didn't explain something well enough, let me know and I'll come back and answer your comments or your questions. But yeah, so DIY mask, shampoo, conditioner. I need to keep playing with the conditioner to see if I like it. Probably the main thing I like about it right now is just the smell. It's lovely. But it was a hard day to judge after just doing the hair mask. It felt heavy, but I think it's because I just did the hair mask. So I will talk to you guys later. I gotta go run some errands right now. Bye-bye, guys.